Have you ever typed this IP address into your browser? Maybe to change your Wi-Fi password, maybe to fix your internet. But do you know actually what these numbers means? Because by the end of this video, you will understand exactly what an IP address is and why every device on the internet needs one. Let's imagine your friend wants to send you a package. Can the package reach your home without an address? Definitely no. The delivery driver needs to know exactly where you live. Devices work the same way. Your phone, your laptop, your router, every device needs an address. An IP address is simply the address of a device on a network. No address equal to no communication. That's how important it is. This is an example of IPv4 address. It contains 4 numbers separated by dots. Now here is something interesting. Why are these numbers between 0 and 225? Why not 500? Or why not maybe 1000? The answer is binary. Don't worry, I'm going to explain binary in less than a minute. Imagine these are light switches. Each switch can only be turned on or off, 0 or 1. If I turn on the switch 1, I get 128. If I turn on the second switch, I get 64. If I turn on both, I get 128 plus 64, which is 192. That's exactly how computer creates the number 192. And because there are 8 switches, the largest number is 225. That's why every section of an IP address goes from 0 to 225. Now, this IP address actually contains 2 pieces of information. This identifies the network and this identifies the devices. Like, think of it as the house number. So if your phone is 192.168.1.5, so if your phone is 192.168.1.5 and your laptop is 192.168.1.8, they live in the same neighborhood, but they are different devices. Now, here is why many beginners get confused. There are actually 2 types of IP addresses: private addresses and public IP addresses. This is a private IP address. It's only used inside your home network. The internet cannot see this address. The internet only sees your router's public IP address. Your router acts as like a translator. It takes traffic from your private network and sends it to the internet. This process is called NAT, Network Address Translation, and it's one of the reasons billions of devices can share the internet. So let's have a recap. An IP address is the address of a device on a network and it contains 4 numbers. Each number ranges from 0 to 225 because of binary. It has 2 parts, the network part and the device part. And these IP addresses are 2 types, a private and a public. In the next episode, we are going to learn DNS, how your computer finds YouTube, Google and Instagram without remembering their IP addresses. If you learned something new, follow CipherNest for more cybersecurity and networking content. Thank you.